Hey guys, welcome back. Is it like really close to my face? Get the good angles. Why are you so close? Hey guys, right now we are going to the bookstore because I want to become a better person. We're gonna look for a personal growth book. We just came out of Walmart and we bought a lot of stuff. I only went in there for, tell them the song we're listening to.
Everything is Everything
By
Lauryn Hill.
the greatest.
It has like drawings in it. But what? What does it say?
Okay, we're gonna buy him this book.
Let me see.
It's a bookie book. Hey guys, we are at Kim's with Odd Town. So fire. Wait, oh my gosh, now it's gray. This is so cool. Wow. Oh my god. How do I wait? What is it? Oh, here. Wait, let me put it back. Is it recording still? Oh, this quality's great. Look at y'all. Hey guys, oh, well, recording like this. Hey. Oh, I can rap. So cute. So we are in the bookstore and we're looking at the vinyl. Is it like old stuff? No, guys, you never know.
Are you sure? Oh, it is. Especially in rock and pop. Oh, look, they might. They have Billie Eilish. Oh, that's so cool. Look, they have VHS stuff. Look. That's Scarface. Oh, I have an idea.
Bro, what's this one you
That's.
listen to her? I just, bro, he just pulled that. She's tapped into her Asian.
Nah, for real, I'm like.
She's an honorable mention. Asian jazz is actually so fire. She's an honorable. That's like Japanese city pop. Like, oh, I love that. Ray Charles.
Ooh.
Here, let me show you. Wait, what vinyls do you have right now? Al Green, Control, Lana Del Rey. Oh, Take Care.
Let me flex.
This is Flex.
Do you have a record player? Yeah. So I have 2014 Forest Hill Drive, Utopia. I have Astro. I got.
How much was that?
I don't know. I got it for like Christmas. I think it was only like. I forgot. I got it when he first like announced it. I think it was only like 30 or 60 in that price range. Weezer. That's like. Who else do I have? I have it on my wall. Did I say SZA's album?
No.
Not Control. The new one.
SOS?
Yeah, SOS. I have SOS.
I just want like a bunch. Like I want a whole like.
I know.
When I'm really rich, I'm gonna have like a room full of like
Collection. Oh, Kendrick Lamar. I have both of his albums.
Loki Jada, you look fitted, like, cause it's only the top half, but then it's like, when you look at the bottom half, it's like, okay, you put that shit on, and then it's like,
oh, don't look down, please. We're still gonna go to Barnes and Nobles. Who's this?
I want to take a picture with one of the, yeah.
Take off. Who's gonna?
Who is that?
Oh, Rich the Kid.
Oh.
Did you look through the R&B and rap and stuff?
Yeah. Why is it so thick?
No, I don't want it. I'm not gonna get it.
No, I don't
What? What this is? It's like doing a whole collection.
Oh. Because it's used and I know like for 34, I could get it cheaper.
Oh, wait, did someone just
I
steal
already
it?
looked.
Why is there like
Someone
in here? I think
took that.
Well, this is a good find too.
Yeah, in the trunk. And
You
the
know,
guitar.
That's
sick. Wow. Wow. That's an ancient find.
Okay.
Aw.
Oh, Blueberry Faygo. I watched one YouTube video on how chords work. No, because I seen Future J. Cole.
You should Peace. You should start making videos where like other people record you and you do something like that type.
Yeah, that's what
I need a videographer.
Yeah. Record it.
Oh, this is actually insane.
Wait, I want to try. I've never done this before.
I want to try this one.
Wait, what the frick? I want to see.
Oh, I feel like this is what the Apple Vision phones look like.
It probably.
Here.
Oh, I feel like the video.
And then look right here, it's gonna be Batman.
Whoa.
And then look, this is like the controllers right here, but I don't know how you turn them on.
Yeah, I've never put anything like this on fire.
Okay, wait, Peace. Whenever you
Put your hand out.
Hey, it's crazy, and then it's like Batman right here.
Wait, what
I wish the
is
camera
this?
could see this.
Where's the Batman?
Oh wait,
YouTube. Wait, let's play a video for him. Wait, why do I hear it?
do you see the YouTube stuff?
Wait, are y'all hearing the music?
Yeah.
I want to hear it. Okay. Ooh.
What else do you see? Do the controllers work? What?
It's the bro. That'd be so fun.
I
like,
know.
all of us in VR.
Bro, that'd be insane, bro. No, the VR, bro. The VR community is actually so funny and crazy. I want to get one day. Oh look, this is like for streamers. This is like for streamers. I've seen this before. Hello? What's up, chat? This is for streamers.
Oh, these are the glasses that record.
Oh, yo.
These guys are actually the vibe.
Only if you're paying attention. Like,
Yeah,
honestly,
true.
if you don't know, then you wouldn't have any clue.
Oh my god.
What? Yo, you just took a
Wait,
picture.
what the
Take a
frick?
picture of us. Oh, wait.
Hold on. Okay.
About taking a picture of us. Yo! Oh.
Oh.
Yo!
I can hear sound.
Okay.
Wait.
Wait, this is actually fire.
What the heck? Wait, it's playing music. Can y'all hear that?
What? No! Wait, wait, I
You can't hear What the heck? How?
Oh, it is this side.
Oh, she looks
No,
It's loud, right?
it is loud. What the heck? Yo, put these on now. Oh, it's in my eyes. That's cool.
Y'all see my eyeballs?
No, I can't.
I heard this click.
Oh,
Oh, you're recording.
Video.
Wait, do it. Wait,
Video.
record.
y'all should make like picture bow or something.
What's going
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're in Best Buy. Today we're gonna be stealing everything in the fucking store. Let's go now. Sorry, I got excited.
She's joking.
They have a fucking the freaking where you can drive a car.
Oh.
Bro, I want to try that so bad. We have to.
Oh.
Oh.
Wait, the quality's actually really good.
The quality is so good.
It looks like an 05. Wait, I want to get it on.
This is insane.
You could just see
Dude,
it
that's
on here.
bad.
Now we're at wheels. You're like, wait. Let me click it. You're like, why is it blinking?
Why is it white? Dang, bro.
Ooh, we're gonna go look at the Nintendo Switches now.
Time to play guys. Loud.
You should. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh, I'm about to play. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, I got it.
Peace and her Switch.
I'm actually gonna buy one, a red or yellow one.
Is it? Hey guys. Maybe, kind of. The green, click the green.
Ooh.
Ooh! Oh!
Right now.
That's cute. Is that the other movie? Oh my gosh, that's. Oh, was that racist? Sorry. Bro, why is everybody stealing today?
Like a rock one? Like a rock. Like we're on a...
This is fire. What song is this? You can't hire it. I think they have them on that volume. Yo, this song is fire. Let me get my Shazam out. She's reading a freaky book, guys.
he cups my cheeks.
Ooh.
His thumb's brushing away the tears.
Oh.
Kitten.
Oh my gosh, please stop.